Why don't you open up your eyes so you can see how much your loving means to me? Yes, my dear, I want some loving from you. Yes, I do. Open up your eyes and you realize there is no one I'm trying to hide. Don't want nobody. I want only you. Gave me your love and your sympathy when I was down on my knees. So my darling, oh, can't you see how much your loving has given me? Open up your eyes and you realize there is no one I'm trying to hide. Don't want nobody. I want only you. Yes.